we'll see the last example in chain rule of partial differentiation. So we'll see here what is the given question. If r square equals to x square plus y square plus z square and u equals to r power n, then prove that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square equals to m into m plus 1 r power m minus 2. First I am going to written here what is the given written. First I am going to written given. Okay. R square equals to x square plus y square plus z square, and so this is equation 1, and u equals to r power m. This is equation 2. Okay, now I am going to find out the here dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y, dou r by dou z first. So if you want to find out dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y, dou r by dou z, so equation 1, okay, differentiation partially with respect to x. So then what is the differentiation of r square? 2r. Okay, r differentiation dou r by dou x, x square differentiation 2x with respect to x, y z constant, so y square differentiation 0 plus z square differentiation 0. So what is it here? 2r dou r by dou x equals to 2x. 2 cancel, then we will get dou r by dou x equals to x by r. Similarly, so we'll write that dou r by dou y equals to y by r, and dou r by dou z equals to z by r. Okay. So now we'll find out that what dou square u by dou x square. Okay. So I'm going to take equation 2, u equals to r power m. Okay, this is equation 2 now. Okay. So I'm differentiate this with respect to x. Is that right? Okay. Dou u by dou x. Okay. Here differentiation r power m. What is the differentiation of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. Okay. Same manner we will write that m into r power m minus 1, r differentiation dou r by dou x. This is the one method. The another method I am going to written here roughly. So what is the dou u by dou x equals to, from the chain rule, dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x. So what is the dou u by dou r? Dou u by dou r, m into r power m minus 1 into dou r by dou x. So we'll see both are same. So what is the dou r by dou x? What is the dou r by dou x? From the here, x by r. Okay, m into r power m minus 1 into x by r. So we'll get the dou u by dou r equals to m, r power m minus 1, this r. So we'll write here the minus 1. So we'll get that what r power m minus 2 into x. So now you require what? Dou square u by dou x square. So I'm going to written this as equation 3. What is the dou u by dou x? Okay. Equation 3, differentiation partially with respect to x. We'll get that what? Dou square u by dou x square, that equals to m, will write that in the uv. What is the differentiation of uv? uv dash plus vu dash. Okay. So first term into r power m minus 2 into differentiation of second term 1 plus second term into differentiation of first term m minus 2 into r power m minus first to reduce power and reduce power by 1 minus 3. Same differentiation of x power n equals n index. On the r differentiation, dou r by dou x. What is the dou r by dou x? X by r. We'll write in the next slide. Dou square u by dou x square equals to m into r power m minus 2 into 1, here r power m minus 1 into r power m minus 2 r power m minus 2 plus m minus 2 into m minus 2 into x into r power m minus 3 into dou r by dou. What is the dou r by dou x? X by r. Okay, so we'll simplify m into r power m minus 2, is that right? Plus m minus 2 into x into r power m minus 3 minus 1, r power m minus, what is that, 4 into x. Okay, here what is the common? M into r power m minus 2 is common. Okay, what is the remaining here? 1 plus, here what is it? M minus 2, m minus 2, right, x into x, x square, r power m minus 2 is common. Now what is the remaining term here? What is the remaining term? What is the remaining term? R power minus 2. R, you will write this one, m into r power m minus 2, 1 plus m minus 2 into x square by r square. Okay. So similarly we will write dou square u by dou y square equals to m into r power m minus 2, okay, 1 plus m minus 2 into y square by r square. Okay, the next one is what? Dou square u by dou z square equals to m into r power m minus 2, 1 plus m minus 2 into z square by r square. What is our given question? What is our given question? Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square, that equals to. Okay, so if you observe here, what is the common here? What is the common here? I am going to written here m into r power m minus 2. So I am going to written here 1 plus m minus 2 into x square by r square plus in this what? 1 plus m minus 2 into y square by r square in the last term plus 1 plus m minus 2 into z square by r square. Okay, so I am going to written here m into r power m minus 2, here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So what is the common here? M minus 2 is common. What is the term here? X square by r square plus y square by r square plus z square by r square. So already given now, what is the given? X square plus y square plus z square equals to r square. Okay, from this you will write what? From this x square plus y square plus z square by r square equals to 1 now. Okay, right. So now write m into r power m minus 2. So here 3 plus m minus 2 into what is it here? What is this term value? 1. Okay. So m minus 2 plus 3 what? M into r power m minus 2 into m minus 2 plus 3 m plus 1. So therefore you will write dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square equals to what is it? M into m plus 1 into r power m minus 2. Hence it is told. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, if you subscribe this, you'll get further notifications. Thank you.